Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I want to show you guys a trick how to make your cream foundation look like it's part of your skin. I understand that I'm full coverage here, but I'm going to show you how to melt your cream foundation into your skin. So all you will need is a beauty blender. This is a very, very cheap beauty blender that I got off of Amazon or eBay. It is extremely dense, so it is very, very hard. And I did not wet it. And I did that for a reason. So I'm going to show you my cream blushes, my cream contours. I do put them in a palette like this. If you guys want to see how I did this, I will show you a video down below. I'll post a video down below. But I have more of a reds in my eyes today. So I'm going to use this pink color right here, or maybe this one, either or. But what you do is you get your blender, right? And what you do is you just kind of like, you twist it or move it into the blush. I think this one's a little bit too pink, so I'm gonna go with dipping into the one right next to it. You guys can see the product on there, right? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of push it into my skin right here, getting any excess product off of the blender. And then check this out. So this is what I do. I just dab it right in, not twisting it, just dabbing it. Look at this. Do you see how I got a hint of color? And it just kind of like, look at this. It makes everything melt. It gives you that glow that we want, that youthful glow. You can see how the light reflects off my cheek because it is a cream, and creams make people look younger. But this is the way that I've been applying my blushes lately. I think it's absolutely stunning. I'm going to go ahead and do that to the other side so you guys can see. So I'm just going to take that dark pink and that light pink, mold them into my, I mean, you can see how much excess product. It is not that dark on my cheek. Comes off, and then you're just going to dab, dab, dab. Just kind of melting it into the skin and making it like, look at this. Absolutely, absolutely stunning. I think I did it a little bit darker on one than the other, but I will fix that in a bit. I just wanted to show you guys this beauty tip. I hope you guys enjoyed this beauty tip. If you like seeing little beauty tips like this on how to look more youthful, let me know in the comment section down below. And tell me if you actually do this at home, or do you just take the stick cream foundation and apply it like that? I don't know. I am Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. Oh, and I'm not sure if I can find this beauty blender that I'm talking about, I will post that link down below. I'm not sure if I can because I've had this forever, but I will try to find one.